Welcome to Copilot Podcasts. Imagine having a conversation with a whale, not just observing one, but actually exchanging messages back and forth. Today, we're diving into how cutting-edge technology is transforming our understanding of marine mammals, from AI that decodes whale songs to drones that track dolphins from above.
It's fascinating how far we've come from the early days of marine research. We're now at a point where technology is helping us unlock secrets about these magnificent creatures that we never thought possible.
And speaking of unlocking secrets, I heard about this incredible breakthrough where researchers actually managed to have what they called a conversation with a humpback whale.
Yes, this happened off the coast of Alaska with a humpback whale named Twain. Dr. Brenda McCowan and her team used underwater speakers to play a recorded humpback contact call, and remarkably, Twain responded and maintained a back-and-forth exchange for about 20 minutes.
Wait, 20 minutes? That's incredible. How did they know the whale was actually responding to them?
The whale actually matched the intervals between each call they played, circling their boat the entire time. It's believed to be the first such communicative exchange between humans and humpbacks using their own language.
This reminds me of something interesting. Isn't this research also connected to the search for extraterrestrial intelligence somehow?
Absolutely. The team behind this work is called Whale SETI, and they're studying whale communication systems specifically to help in the search for life beyond Earth. The idea is that if we can decode complex animal communication here, it might help us recognize intelligent signals from space.
That's mind-blowing. But let's talk about another major technological advancement, passive acoustic monitoring. What exactly is that?
Passive acoustic monitoring is a powerful tool that NOAA uses to detect and characterize sounds produced by marine mammals, as well as track ambient noise and human-made sounds in the ocean.
And this is different from active sonar, right?
Exactly. It's completely non-invasive. We're just listening, not sending out signals. It's like being an underwater eavesdropper, but for science.
All this technology reminds me of Jacques Cousteau. He was really the pioneer of bringing underwater life to the public, wasn't he?
Oh, absolutely. Cousteau was revolutionary, always in his signature red woolly hat, even in sweltering heat. He co-invented the aqua lung, which made modern scuba diving possible, and his TV series, The Undersea World of Jacques Cousteau, brought ocean exploration into people's homes for the first time.
And now we've got AI taking that exploration to the next level, right?
Exactly. MIT researchers recently used machine learning to decode what they call the sperm whale phonetic alphabet, revealing sophisticated structures in their communication that we never knew existed.
A whale alphabet? That sounds incredible.
It is, though there's still some debate in the scientific community. The study found patterns in sperm whale codas, those are their clicking sounds, that vary significantly depending on the conversational context.
But not everyone agrees with the findings?
Right. Some marine biologists argue these patterns might be recording artifacts rather than actual communication signals. It's a fascinating debate in the field right now.
Let's talk about another exciting technology, drones. How are they changing marine mammal research?
Drones are absolutely revolutionary for this field. They're providing us with a bird's-eye view of marine mammal behavior without disturbing the animals.
Are there specific types of drones that work better for this kind of research?
Yes, actually. Recent studies have tested different models like the DJI Mini 2, Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced, and Inspire 2. The Mavic Enterprise Advanced even has infrared thermography capabilities, which could help track dolphins in murky water.
That's fascinating. How do the dolphins react to the drones?
Studies show their response varies depending on the drone type and height. With some models, dolphins don't seem to change their behavior much at all, which is exactly what we want for non-invasive research.
It's amazing how all these technologies are coming together. AI, passive acoustics, drones. What's next?
One exciting development is the integration of multiple technologies. For instance, combining drone footage with AI analysis to automatically identify and track marine mammal behavior patterns.
And this is all helping with conservation efforts too, right?
Absolutely. The more we understand about these animals' behavior and communication, the better equipped we are to protect them and their habitats.
You mentioned behavior patterns. What kinds of behaviors can these technologies help us study?
Well, researchers have identified several key behaviors like traveling, milling, and respiration patterns. AI systems are getting quite good at recognizing these. For instance, one study showed 92.3% precision in identifying traveling behavior.
That's impressive accuracy.
It is, though it's worth noting that some behaviors are harder to identify than others. The same system had much lower accuracy for more complex behaviors.
So there's still room for improvement?
Definitely. The technology is advancing rapidly, but we're still learning and refining our methods.
Let's go back to the acoustic monitoring for a moment. How extensive is this network?
NOAA has established an impressive archive for passive acoustic data, with monitoring stations throughout our oceans. They're constantly collecting data on marine mammal sounds, ambient noise, and human-made noise.
And all this data is being analyzed by AI?
Yes, machine learning algorithms help process this massive amount of data, identifying patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect manually.
It's like we're finally starting to understand their language.
Well, we're making progress, but we have to be careful not to anthropomorphize too much. Their communication systems are likely very different from human language.
Right, of course. But it's still exciting to be making these breakthroughs.
Absolutely. And what's particularly exciting is how these technologies complement each other. Drones give us visual data, acoustic monitoring provides sound information, and AI helps us make sense of it all.
It's like we're finally getting the full picture.
Exactly. And this comprehensive understanding is crucial for conservation efforts.
Speaking of conservation, how are these technologies helping protect marine mammals?
They're helping in numerous ways. For instance, passive acoustic monitoring can help ships avoid whale collisions, while drones can track population health without disturbing the animals.
And I imagine the AI analysis helps identify threats more quickly?
Precisely. AI can process data in real time, allowing for faster responses to potential threats or changes in behavior patterns.
It's amazing how far we've come from Cousteau's early underwater cameras.
Yes, though his work laid the foundation for everything we're doing now. He showed us the importance of both scientific research and public engagement.
And now we're carrying that forward with new tools.
Exactly. Each new technology gives us another piece of the puzzle in understanding these remarkable creatures.
What do you think the next big breakthrough will be?
I think we'll see even more integration of different technologies. Imagine AI systems that can simultaneously analyze visual, acoustic, and environmental data in real time,
That would be incredible.
and potentially game-changing for conservation efforts.
It's really giving us new ways to be better stewards of our oceans.
Absolutely. And that's what it's all about, using technology to better understand and protect these magnificent animals.
Well, as we wrap up today's episode of Copilot Podcasts, what's the big takeaway for our listeners?
I think it's that we're entering a new era of marine mammal research, where technology is helping us understand these animals in ways we never could before.
And maybe someday soon we'll all be having conversations with whales?
Well, maybe not conversations exactly, but we're certainly getting closer to understanding their world. And that understanding is crucial for ensuring their survival.
From Cousteau's aqualung to AI-powered whale translators, it's been quite a journey.
And we're just getting started.
Thank you all for joining us on Copilot Podcasts. Remember, every breakthrough in understanding marine mammals brings us one step closer to protecting them. Until next time.